Hello my peeps, Michelle Chavarria Hunter here. Alright, so I decided to mess with my face today. And also, I wanted to try an Ariana Grande Inspired Hair tutorial. Okay, I'm gonna do this hair tutorial with my hair extensions. So I'll put those in first. Now that we have the hair extensions on, our next step is going to be to straighten our hair. I like to follow with my brush to make sure I get all of those little hairs. Okay, babies, I am very excited. Let's see how this is going to work. I have my trusty chopsticks. Perfect line. Okay. All right, and I'm just gonna grab one side. All right, we're gonna leave a little bit of the bangs out as if I had any. So we're gonna leave that much out. All right, and I'm making sure so you don't see my hair extension and for it to ruin the whole hair. You see how I'm grabbing just right on top of it. This is fun. I love these little twisty things. Now what I'm going to do is go back in here and just straighten my hair a little bit more. Wow, I like. My babies, I hope you guys enjoyed my hair tutorial. It's my very first one. Don't forget to take care of yourself, to love yourself, and to enjoy yourself. Please like, subscribe, and comment if you like this video or what you would like to see next. Thank you, babies. Love you, my peeps.